Hey, are you a entrepreneur or a business owner and you're looking to grow your business? Then you definitely want to stay tuned for this video, because I have a 24-hour, 7 days a week sales selling system, and all you have to do is set it up once. You can even produce multiple systems from the software I'm about to show you. But first, okay, we're back. This is Kenny MacB. Welcome to the Kenny MacB channel. Let's face it, everything is going digital, or it's being broadcast online. So to ensure that your business thrives and always at a steady pace growing, you should definitely jump on board with, you guessed it, ClickFunnels. First, let me ask you a couple questions. Are you a struggling entrepreneur in sales, clients, or customers? Or a business owner struggling to gain more customers? Then ClickFunnels is the perfect answer for you. In 2019, businesses all around the world are finding new ways and strategies plus tools to help them grow their business and save a lot of money on advertising. I'll give you an example. Take your number one salesperson in your marketing division and make a video funnel through ClickFunnels that you only set up one time, and now it runs on autopilot. Funnels are set up and designed to do the door-to-door action, turning the viewers, which you would be selling either a service or a product, to a lead, then from a lead into what? Somebody guessed it. Somebody guessed it. A customer. It's definitely great for entrepreneurs. Let's say you're trying to start a social media marketing agency. This is just a new online business model that people are getting into nowadays. ClickFunnels can help you by bringing you more clients. ClickFunnels also has a simple drag and drop webpage, an editor, so you can quickly build sales funnels that convert. I mean, that's a big deal. Convert. They also have a smart shopping cart with one-click upsell, email and Facebook automation. Man, automation is so sweet. So sweet. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Exactly. The good stuff. Like my mentor taught me, if you make or create systems that run on autopilot, freeing up your time to either do whatever you want to do or for more pressing matters. Did you know that time is the most important commodity that we have in life? So don't waste it, because we will never get a second back. Okay, let's do a real quick recap of what ClickFunnels can do for you. ClickFunnels can help you generate leads. It gives you tools and strategies to use on one platform. Sales Funnel Builder for entrepreneurs and business owners alike. They made it real quick and easy to make really good sales funnels that convert people to leads, then converting those leads into your true customers. Don't worry if you don't know how to build a sales funnel, or even if you're less experienced in sales funnels. It also allows you to save time and money. You already know time is very important. Time you will not get back. Plus, they have a 14-day trial. Now, that's a good deal. That's a good deal. That's a good deal. So, if you're ready to 5x your business into high gear, click the link down in the description box below and watch your business grow. That's all the time I have, unfortunately, for today, but there will be plenty of other videos that I do go ahead and upload for you guys. So don't be shy. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, give me a like, and go ahead and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when the next time I do upload. Okay? Until next time, take it easy.